Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Rockingham Dragway, where the fourth installment in the popular No Prep racing series Dig or Die starts today. You can see we have food trucks, other vendors lined up behind us, and this track will be hot tonight, and it will not be prepped for this racing series. If you have never been to Rockingham Dragway and seen this series that starts on the opposite end of the track, this is the weekend to make it happen. This is considered the Super Bowl of no prep racing. You can see more information on Facebook. Look at Rockingham Dragway's Facebook page or their website or Instagram to find out about Dig or Die. That starts tonight and will go on throughout Saturday and end late Saturday night. Also tonight here in Richmond County, we have live music in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, Jonathan Robinson music, and in Rockingham at Hudson Brothers, they will have Erik. Also in Hamlet, it is jazz and steak night at Buie's Cotton Gin Restaurant, and that is on Main Street in Hamlet. All of these events have more information on Facebook. You can see those event pages and also see Buie's Cotton Gin Restaurant for their jazz and steak night tonight, and every month they have this night, so you can find out more information on their Facebook page. On Saturday, July 22nd, in addition to Dig or Die here at Rockingham Dragway, the Rockingham Farmers Market will be set up downtown Rockingham in the old Food King parking lot, and there will be a workshop at Hippy Dippy Marketplace in downtown Rockingham. You can find out more information and sign up for this workshop to learn how to create a shaker spell jar on their Facebook page, Hippy Dippy Marketplace. Saturday night at Hail Mary's Tavern, Bowtie Karaoke will be there, and in Rockingham at Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G. In case you missed the announcement yesterday, Hops and Hot Rods at The Rock was announced for October 7th, and that will be at Rockingham Speedway. You can see the Facebook event page that will give you some information, but make sure to follow it and add it to your calendar for lots of announcements coming up that will give more details about the tickets and the other features, which will include craft beer, live music, and chicken wings. So make sure you are following Hops and Hot Rods at Rockingham Speedway on Facebook. You can see the event page, and you can also find the article in Richmond Observer. For more information on these events and more upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get these videos every week and more information we put on our website blog. We hope to see you this weekend here at Rockingham Dragway or around town at the other events. If not, we will definitely see you next week.